This particular online business idea I'm about to reveal to you is by far one of the best ways to make money online. And the beautiful thing about it is that if you are able to set it up well and correctly, you have literally set it up for long term and it will continue to generate income for you. This is also how I have been able to make my first $1,000 online. And I'm going to be revealing everything you need to know as a complete beginner. Now, what we're talking about here is affiliate marketing. So here's how a breakdown of the process flows with affiliate marketing. You first of all find a product that you want to promote, then you sign up for its affiliate program and get a unique link. You share your unique link through content, and when somebody buys through your link, you earn a commission. Another big question is, so where do I start as a total beginner and how do I get to make money from it? So let's go step by step. Follow me. The first step is picking the right type of product. And this is where a whole lot of people make mistakes in, because this will determine how far and how well your affiliate marketing setup is going to go. The thing about affiliate marketing is that in order for you to do it well, in order for you to get the best out of it, you need to be promoting the right product. Now, we are in a digital age and time, and affiliate marketing, though it works for all kinds of products, I would suggest you actually promote digital product because, for one, it is high in demand and everything is literally moving to the online space. Now, why do you need to promote digital product? Digital products have a higher commission rate. For example, if you want to promote a physical product, you may be able to get, at least if you try to do your best, you can be able to get 5% commission, 10% commission, whereas digital products can offer as high as 30% to 50% commission. For example, if you're promoting your affiliate link for my ebook, you get as high as 30% commission whenever you get a sale through your affiliate link. Now, the next step you want to do is join an affiliate program. Now, there are a lot of affiliate programs out there. So once you have picked the product you want to sign up for its affiliates program. Now, most creators like myself have an affiliate program where you can register, get your unique link, and start promoting. A perfect example is my ebook that I shared 27 proven ways to make money online with skills you never knew you had. And in this ebook, I shared 27 profitable online skills that you already have, but you never knew you had, and how you can make money from it. So you can share your affiliate link for this product, and every time somebody buys this product with your affiliate link, you get 30% commission without you even creating the book or really doing any serious work. Now, one way to be able to get your affiliate link is you can go to Seller and you can get it on the affiliate marketplace. You would need to sign up for that Seller affiliate program and pay a token, but as a beginner, I don't want you to have to pay anything. So what I would do is I would attach a Google Forms in the description. You go ahead and fill it out. All I need is your email address, and I'm going to add it up to my affiliate store from my back end. That way, you'll be able to get your affiliate link and start promoting. The moment you start promoting and people start buying the product through you, you will be able to receive your commission and you can withdraw it immediately and anytime. So fill the form in the description and you will get your affiliate link in no time. Now, the third step is to create content around the product. Now, as much as the product may be what people are looking for, as much as it may solve people's problems, the product would not sell itself. This is where most beginners get stuck. They get their affiliate link, but they don't know how to promote it. Now, the key to promoting affiliate products is to build trust and provide value before you drop your link. So let's say you are promoting my ebook. Instead of you blasting your affiliate link everywhere and saying, buy this ebook, you want to create strategic content. Now, this is how affiliate marketing works. I'm not telling you once you get your affiliate link and blast it randomly, people will literally pour in. No. What you want to do is pick a social media platform. It could be Twitter, it could be Threads, it could be Instagram, it could be YouTube also, or it could be Facebook. Now, let's say it's Twitter or X. You want to share a thread on, let's say, 5 underrated ways to make money online in 2025, and you mention that you found those ideas from that ebook. You can even share your real life experience and how it has helped you improve in your online income space or the business opportunities that you have explored. Let's say you are creating Instagram Reels or TikTok, you can create a short video breaking down one money-making method and say, I found 26 more ideas inside this ebook. Check the link in my bio. So you want to create value, then give a strong call to action. Now, social medias like Threads or Twitter already allows you to add links directly in your post, whereas social medias like Instagram or TikTok, you have to add it to your bio. Now, the more helpful and the more genuine you are in your content, people are more likely to buy through your link. And the beautiful thing is this book is actually easy to sell, because in a world where everybody wants to make money online, but they are quick to look down on what they already know and make the best out of it. And every time somebody buys, you get a commission of 30%. Now, before you rush off to sign up, let me leave you with some powerful tips that can actually help you make sales as an affiliate. The first tip is you want to be strategic about the product you promote. Even if you're not promoting my ebook, you want to promote products that actually solve a problem for people. If it's something people are already looking for, it'll be easier for them to buy. Another tip is you want to use content and not spam. So you don't want to go under people's Facebook comment section or people's Twitter comment section and start blasting links. It will get you no sales. The biggest mistake new affiliates make is they keep dropping their links everywhere. Click this link to make money now. Click this link to do this. Click this link to do that, without even providing any value. You want to create helpful content around the product first. Teach and explain, most especially your personal experience. I've noticed a lot of people relate more with personal experiences. Now, the third tip is start with one platform, then you can leverage multiple platforms. Reason why I say this, because it is easier for you to hone in on it, provide value, relate with people, engage with your communities, and sell aggressively. Now, the fourth tip is be patient and consistent. As much as there is a lot of money in affiliate marketing, it doesn't happen overnight. You need to build a loyal audience. You need to build trust. And it takes consistency. The more content you put out, the more chances you have of making sales. So click the link in the description, fill in your email, and I would approve it from my back end, and you will get a mail with your affiliate link. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. No pressure. Affiliate marketing, you must not have to promote my ebook, but I just think my ebook is like the simplest way to start. If you found this super helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't yet, make sure to comment any questions you have at all. I really love to connect with you in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe. I'm also going to be attaching a link to this video where I show you step-by-step process on how the Seller Affiliate Marketing Program works. So click below to check it out.